for last time we had given certain figures in the assembly. We had given, I think, around 1,16,000 unemployed. See, unemployment government, there is two different things. It is not to be said that unemployed in government service, 1,16,000 were unemployed, and only 4,000 were employed. But these are the people who have applied in the employment exchange for government service.
Correct.
There are, if you go to see on ground, out of this 1,16,000, there must be at least more than 90,000 of them who are already employed in private sector. Now I have told basically my department, all the inspectors are on the job to find out each and every details we need of the person. We don't have that data with us. So that data we will come to know how many people. So tomorrow, so ultimately the
figure will come down.
Come down. Everyone wants a government job. But it is not possible. Government is here basically to set up industries, to see that industries come and all, and you get private job. But people should basically not focus only on government.
पणजे शहरातल्या चालू आशिल्ल्या आणि पेंडिंग कामांचो बाबुशान संबंधित खात्यांक महापालिकेत आपोवन रिव्ह्यू घेतलो.
As far as the smart cities concerned, it has been entrusted to different departments. Say as far as some work has been given to GSI, some work has been given to PWD, some WR, Legacy department. So it is just a coordination meeting from all the departments.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.